Hello everyone, welcome back to this amazing channel of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am your host Andos and I welcome you all for the paper discussion of your weekend test 30 and I'll be discussing LTC AIIMS chemistry paper with you. So guys, let's not waste much time and quickly start the session. So the first question that you encountered was this. Okay, in this thing you can see that this is isobutyl fluoride treated with zinc and HCl. This zinc and HCl is a reducing agent and it reduces alkyl halide to corresponding alkane. So the alkane that can be formed over here is this, and its IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane and the common name is isobutane. So it's a positional isomer of N-butane. That's not the right answer. IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane. Yes, that's the right answer. Hence, question number 51, the right answer is option number 2. 52, regarding the addition of bromine to propene, in a carbon tetrachloride, that means they are talking about halogenation, specifically bromination. Incorrect statement is, it is an example of anti-addition. It is a correct statement, not the right answer. It is an example of electrophilic addition, correct statement, not the right answer. A cyclic halonium ion intermediate is formed, correct statement, not the right answer. Product obtained is geminal dihalide, answer is wrong. Okay, this statement is wrong and hence this is the right option. The product obtained is vicinal dihalide. All three statements are correct, last one is incorrect and hence the answer will be option number 4. 53. Regarding the addition of bromine to butene, so this is bromine and this is butene. In carbon tetra, again bromination, the correct statement is, the product is 1, correct statement they are talking about. The product is 1, 2 dibromobutane. No. Why no? Because the product will be this, bromine and bromine. So it is 2, 3 dibromobutane, not the right answer. Br minus ion attacks in a slow step. No, it attacks on a fast step. Product contains 2 chiral. This is 1 chiral and this is another chiral, and hence option number 3 is the right answer. So question number 53, right answer is option number 3. 54. The hydrogen halide which shows peroxide effect in the reaction with alkenes is HBr. Okay, so right answer is option number 2. CH3CH2, that is butadiene, reacts with HBr, gives you X as a major product. The product is, since there is no peroxide, it will follow Markovnikov's rule, and Markovnikov's rule says that negative part of the reagent to carbon containing less number of hydrogen. Okay, so when an unsymmetrical alkene is rated with an unsymmetrical reagent, negative part goes to carbon containing less number of hydrogen, and hence the option number 1 will be the right answer. So 55, option number 1. 56, peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov's rule, negative part to carbon containing more number of hydrogen. HCl in peroxide is again Markovnikov's rule. This is AMR, anti-Markovnikov's rule, and this is Markovnikov's rule. So negative part to carbon containing less number of hydrogen, and the only option that fits in is option number 4 is the right answer. Okay, clear. 57. Ethene is more reactive than ethine towards HBr. True statement. Ethyl carbocation is more stable than vinyl carbocation. True statement. And hence both options are right. That means both statements are right. So 57, option number 1 will be the right answer. A. Methane in the presence of molybdenum oxide and heated, it will give you formaldehyde. Methane in presence of copper, heat and pressure will give you methanol. Identify the correct statement, incorrect statement regarding compounds A and B. A is aldehyde, true, not the right answer. B is alcohol, true, not the right answer. Oxidation state of carbon in A is less than that of oxidation state of carbon B. That is wrong, and that's the right answer. The statement is wrong and that is the right answer. Here aldehyde more oxidized and it is alcohol less oxidized. So it is actually vice versa. Okay, so 58, option number 3 is the right answer. Statement is incorrect. We need to know incorrect statement, but the option is right. 59. We have hexane, chromium oxide, 773 Kelvin and 100 to 200 atmospheric pressure. So this is an example of aromatization reaction, which is also known as cyclization reaction, which is also known as dehydration reaction, which is also known as reforming reaction, which is also known as platforming reaction. There are so many names. So incorrect statement we need to identify. The correct reaction involves the reaction involves dehydrogenation. True. It is an example of reforming. Yes. The final product obtained is cyclohexane. Wrong. That's the right answer. Okay. Because we need to know incorrect statement. Here the product will be benzene plus 4 hydrogen gas will get evolved. Okay. 60. This is decarboxylation reaction. This is soda lime. Okay. Right. Soda lime. So basically this has to be removed and you will get product as CH3. This is electrolysis. Again, this need to be removed, decarboxylation, but here you will get product as CH3. A new carbon to carbon bond is formed, CH2, CH3. So these are homologue. Yes, you can say they are homologue. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, no. Chain isomers, yeah, P and Q are a pair of, you can say chain isomers. Okay, but to say chain isomer, they should have same molecular formula. Hence, you cannot say chain isomer as well. Rather, you cannot say any isomer as well. So, all 2, 3 are gone. So, the only option remains is what? Option number 1. And that is the right answer. 61. HCl in the presence of AlCl3 is isomerization. Okay. And KMNO4 is oxidation. So, if you'll isomerize, okay, if you'll isomerize N-butane, so you will get isobutane, which consists of 3-degree hydrogen, and this 3-degree hydrogen in the presence of a strong oxidizing agent will get converted to 3-degree alcohol. Okay, so this is B. So the right option is option number 2. Okay. Statement 1. Reactivity of halogen towards photochemical halogenation of alkanes is this. This option is wrong. Rather, it has to be opposite like this. That's why the statement is wrong. Ease of replacement of hydrogen in photochemical halogenation of alkane is 3-degree, 2-degree and 1-degree. This answer is true, or this statement is true. So statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. So option number 3 is the right option. 63. This is acid. KOH gives you a salt, that is CH3, COONA. Electrolysis will give you CH3, CH3. Then will you oxidize in the presence of manganese, you will get CH3, COOH, that is carboxylic acid. Again, it is what? Decarboxylation, soda lime, so you will get CH4. So D has to be CH4. Hence option number 3 is the right answer. Regarding halogenation of methane, false statement is, we need to know false statement. Chlorine will give you free radical, chain initiation, true statement, not the right answer. The small amount of ethane is formed in the chain termination step. True, not the right answer. If excess of methane is used, the final product is carbon tetrachloride. Wrong. If excess of methane is used, the major product will be methyl chloride. And hence, option number 3 is the right answer. 65. Which one of the following has highest ionic mobility in fused state? Highest ionic mobility, smallest size, and that is lithium. Option number 3 is the right answer. Potassium ion activates enzyme, right? And fluids present in cell contains more amount of potassium ions than sodium ions. This is also true. This is also true. And hence option number 1 is the right answer. Liquid sodium is used as a coolant in nuclear reactor. True. Okay. Whereas lithium lead alloy is used as a preparation for tetraethyl lead. Wrong. It is not lithium, it is sodium. Right. Hence, this is true, this is false. So, statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct. And 67, option number 2 is the right answer. Compounds of second group find many applications. Which of the following is not a proper match about them? Quicklime, purification of sugar. True. Slag lime, constitute of white ash. True. Okay. What we need to is not proper, that means false statement. Limestone used in the manufacturing of high quality paper. True. Gypsum decreases the time of setting for cement. This is false. And hence option number 4 is the right answer. It's not true. Not the proper match. 69. The second group element with least and highest ionization enthalpy. So least ionization enthalpy, if I talk about, is beryllium and highest is barium. Least is barium and highest is beryllium. Okay, least is barium and highest is beryllium, and hence option 2 is the right answer. Okay. Solubility of the compound of S block elements depends upon the magnitude of lattice enthalpy and hydration enthalpy. The most insoluble sulfate of the second group element is barium sulfate, no doubt in that. Most insoluble sulfate is barium sulfate. Hence option number 1 is right. Next, barium chloride, barium nitrate. Regarding 1 and 2, incorrect statement is: first, exists as dihydrate, true. Both impart green flame to oxidizing flame of Bunsen burner, true. Second, exists as anhydrous salt, true. Both are salts of weak acid and weak base and strong acid, false. They are the salt of strong base and strong acid, and hence option number 4 is the right answer. Okay. Next, which one of the following hydride cannot be prepared directly from its element? You should know this thing, that is beryllium hydride, and hence option number 2 will be the right answer. Okay, these are something that you have to remember, memory based questions. At 300 Kelvin, osmotic pressure will be highest for. Osmotic pressure pi is equal to I times CRT. Yes or no? That means I'm talking about I values. For sucrose I is 1, glucose I is 1, urea I is 1, and fructose I is 1. That means pi is directly proportional to concentration. More the concentration, more is the osmotic pressure, and hence the highest concentration is of glucose. The right option is option number 2. 74. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding the maximum boiling azeotrope? We are talking about correct statement. It shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. No. Total vapor pressure of the liquid mixture is lesser than the expected from Raoult's law. True. Delta H of mixing is certainly negative, and delta V of is certainly negative. So the only option that I can see is option number 2 is the right answer. 75. Which one of the following is an example of a liquid mixture showing positive deviation from Raoult's law? For positive deviation, the interaction between the two liquid should be, it should be more than the individual interaction. So the only option that fits in this thing is option number 4. That is this. That is 75. Option number 4 is the right answer. Vapor pressure of a liquid depends upon nature of liquid. True. Temperature, no surface area. So option will be A and B. So option number 2 is the right answer. 77. In the following solution, the solution with least vapor pressure. Okay, solution with least vapor pressure. Least vapor pressure means highest concentration. Okay, if I talk about the concentration, it is 0.1 molar. So it is 0.1 into 1. That gives me 0.1. 0.2 molar, that means the actual concentration is 0.2 into N plus and Cl minus ion concentration, that is 2. That is equal to 0.4. 0.1 molar N2S4, that is 3, that is 0.3 actual concentration. 0.2 into 1, because glucose does not dissociate, so it is 0.2. So if I talk about least vapor pressure, that means highest concentration, that is 0.4. Okay, so least vapor pressure is of 0.2 molar NaCl and the highest is 0.1 molar urea. Hence the right answer is option number 2. 78. 54 ml liquid A is mixed with 54 ml liquid B. The volume of the mixture is formed as this. That means delta V mix is equal to 0, and it is 0, that means it is an ideal solution. Okay, the two most likely will be, okay, this A and B, the most likely the ideal solution can be found by N-hexane and N-heptane. That's the right answer. Okay. 79. Two volatile liquids A and B are mixed with mole ratio 1:1. So Na is to Nb is given by 1:1. With this relationship, can I say XA will be equal to XB that is equal to 1 by 2, right? Then total pressure P will be P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XB. What is P naught A? 200. 200 into 1 by 2 plus 600 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? 100 plus 300. So this is PA, this is PB, and the total pressure will be 400. Now, according to Gram's law, okay, now what is required is mole fraction of B in vapor phase. Mole fraction of B in what? Vapor phase. So, can I say that PB naught, okay, will be equal to the mole fraction of B in the vapor phase into total pressure. So YB is equal to PB naught is 300, whereas total pressure is 400. If you'll cancel out this thing, you'll get 0.75, and hence the option is 79.3. Okay. Then talking about 80, at a certain temperature, when 20 gram of a non-volatile solute is dissolved in 180 grams of water. 20 grams of non-volatile solute in 180 grams of water. Okay, the vapor pressure of water is lowered. The vapor pressure of water is lowered from 90 mmHg to 89.1 mmHg. The molar mass of a non-volatile solute is nearly. Okay, so lowering of vapor pressure, that is P naught minus P upon P naught, that is equal to X. Okay, clear? Let us take this thing as X2. So that will be equal to what? Mole fraction N2 upon N2 plus N1. Okay. From this thing, I can clearly say that N2 is much less than N1. That's why N2 can be neglected. You can calculate the value, but still we can neglect it. So hence we'll get the equation N2 by N1. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is P naught, not P2. This is what? P naught. Okay. If I'll substitute the equations, it is 90 minus 89.1 whole divided by 90, that is equal to N2. Okay. N2 will be equal to what? 20 by molar mass into N1 will be equal to what? Molar mass, molecular weight by mass, because it is in denominator. N1 is in denominator, right? So it will be 180 by 18. So if you calculate this thing, you will get value as 200. So M is equal to what? 200. So hence option number 2 is the right answer. 81. The freezing point of sucrose solution is this. Boiling point of the same solution will be Kb and Kf of water are this particular values. Okay, so it is delta Tf by delta Tb is equal to Kf by Kb. By substituting the values, it is 0.186 by delta Tb is equal to, what is Kf value? Kf value is 1.86 whole divided by 0.52. Okay, by this thing you will get delta Tb value as, you will get value as 0.052 Kelvin, and with this thing the Tb value will be equal to 373.052 Kelvin. The right answer is option number 2. Regarding osmosis, incorrect statement is blood cell swells when placed in a beaker of containing water. We need correct statement, so this is true. Blood cell shrinks, okay, when placed in a beaker of containing 2% volume weight by volume NaCl solution. That is also true. Okay, clear? We are talking about osmosis, lower concentration to higher concentration. Okay, then cellulose acetate is the semi-permeable membrane used in reverse osmosis. True. During reverse osmosis, the solutes migrate from higher concentration region to lower concentration region. Wrong, it is opposite, lower concentration to higher concentration region, and hence that's the right answer. Okay, in osmosis, you have to remember high to low. For reverse osmosis, it is low to high. Okay, clear? Next, 83. Molarity of a solution. Molarity of a solution is 1 molar. Density is 1.2 gram per ml. Molality of the same solution. So we have molarity, we have density. Okay, what will be the volume? Volume of solution. Volume of solution is what? 1000 ml. What will be the weight of solution? Weight of solution will be what? 1000 into 1 by 2, that is volume into density, that is 1200. Okay, so this is weight of solution, right? Mass of solute is given to us. Okay, mass of solute is given to us. We have volume of solution. We have volume of solution, and if I take solution as water, right? If I take solution as water, so can I say solvent value is what? 1000 ml. So weight of solvent will be what? Can I take weight of solvent is equal to what? 1000 grams by 1000 grams, because solution weight is what? Solution weight is what? 1000. Solution volume is what? 1000. So that means volume of solvent will be what? 1000. So 1000 into 1 gram per cc, that is the what we say, density of water. So that is 1000 grams. So weight of solute will be equal to weight of solvent, that is weight of solution, that is 1200, minus weight of solvent, that is 1000, will give you what? 200. So weight of solute is 200, and hence if you want to know molality, molality is equal to N of solute, that is number of moles of solute, into 1000 times weight of solvent. N of solute, that is weight of solute, divided by molar mass of solute is 200, into 1000, weight of solvent is also 1000. So that gives you a value as 1. Hence option number 2 is the right answer. 84. Mole fraction of solvent in 23% weight by weight, okay, or mass by mass aqueous solution of ethanol. So C2H5OH is 23 grams, is 23 grams, right? And H2O is 77 grams. Mole fraction of water, that is XH2O, will be equal to N times H2O whole divided by N times of ethanol plus N times of H2O. N times of water will be 77, number of moles of water will be 77 by 18 whole divided by 23, okay, 23 by 46 plus 77 by 18. If you'll solve this thing, you will get option as 0, you will get answer as 0.985. Hence option number 1 will be the right answer. Okay, 85. 10 liters of 5 molar H2SO4 and 20 liters of 1 molar NaOH are mixed with each other. The solution is diluted to 100 liters. Proton concentration of the resultant mixture is resultant mixture. So first of all, what is Na and Va? Okay, molarity is given as 5. Okay, molarity is given as 5. What is the N factor of H2SO4? It is 2, and the volume is 10. So that is equal to how much? 5 to the 10, and that is 100. Okay, what is Nb? Vb. Molarity is given as 1, N factor is 1, and the volume is 20. So that is equal to 20. So NAVA is greater than NBVB, and hence we'll get concentration of H plus ion by NAVA minus NBVB whole divided by total volume of the solution is what? It is diluted to 100 liters. So it is 100. Right? So Na is how much? 100. NBVB is how much? 20 by 100. That is 80 by 100. That is 0.8. Answer is 4. Right? Clear? 86. Regarding electrophilic addition reaction in alkenes, incorrect statement. It always involves one-step mechanism. Wrong. A carbanion is intermediate. Wrong. Rearrangement product can be obtained. True. Markovnikov's rule in consequence of electrophilic addition mechanism. True. So A and B are wrong. Hence option number 1 will be the right answer. 87. Which one of the following alkene is most reactive towards hydration? Okay. So more substituted alkene, that means more number of alpha hydrogen. Over here alpha carbon. So it has 3 alpha hydrogen. Right. CH2 equal to CH2 double bond CH2. That means how much? 0 alpha hydrogen. Over here it has 2 alpha hydrogen, and over here how much alpha hydrogen? 6 alpha hydrogen, and hence that's the right answer. Okay, so option number 4 is the right answer. 88. A, B, C are the first 3 members of alkane series respectively. Correct. First 3 members meant, that means CH4, C2H6 and then C3H7. The increasing order of their melting point. The increasing order of their melting point will be, it is as simple as that. Increasing order will be what? The highest, among the highest will be C2H6. So that means the last one has to be B. Right? And the lowest has to be C3H7. So it is CAB. Right? Answer is option number 2. Okay. Clear? 89. Beryllium carbide, when it is neutralized, it will form you CD4. Okay. And then methyl magnesium iodide is neutralized, you will form CH3D. So CD4 CH3D, option number 3 is the right answer. 90. Number of moles of Faraday is required to prepare 1 mole of ethane by electrolysis of aqueous sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is what? CH3 COO minus ion. If I do electrolysis of it, you will get CH3 free radical, okay, plus CO2 plus 1 electron will get evolved, and this takes place at anode. Okay, so I require 2 moles, so 2 and we'll get 2. Okay, so CH3 CH3. So 2 moles of electron is required, and hence 2 Faraday will be the right answer. 91. Bromoethane is heated with metallic sodium in dry ether to form X. Bromoethane, so that is CH3 CH2 Br in presence of sodium and dry ether. Total number of isomers obtained when X is subjected to more. So basically you will get CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. 1 bromo, 2 bromo. But the moment you add 2 bromo here, it becomes chiral. So there is in presence of positive and negative isomer. And so total answer is 3. Identify incorrect statement. Sodium is sodium stored in water. Wrong. Among 1A group, lithium hydride has predominant covalent character. True. This is true and this is false. Blue color of the solution of sodium dissolved in liquid ammonia is due to ammoniated electron. 2. Sodium peroxide is paramagnetic. False. So option A and D are the right answers. Hence A and D only. 93. An element X or its chloride salt imparts yellow color to oxidizing flame to Bunsen furnace. Yellow color belongs to sodium. That means they are talking about sodium chloride. Regarding X, incorrect statement is, okay, regarding X, incorrect statement is, its chloride, regarding X, sodium, its chloride is pure, in pure state is diliquescent. This is only incorrect. This is only incorrect, right? Sure. So, right. Next, the molar depression constant for water is this. Freezing point of water is 50%. Freezing point of 50% ionized 1 molar barium chloride is. So first of all, barium chloride. Okay, its N value is 3. It will give you 3 ions. 50% ionized. So if I want to calculate Van 't Hoff factor, okay, if I want to calculate what? Van 't Hoff factor. Then we need to go in this way. I will be equal to 1 minus alpha plus n alpha. That is n value is 3. So that will give me what? 1 plus 2 alpha. Over here alpha is given as what? 0.5%. Okay, or 50%, that is 0.5. If I'll add 0.5, I'll get I is equal to what? 2. And hence delta TF is equal to I KFM. So you have I value, you have KF value as 1.86, and you have M value, that is 1 molar. Okay, if you substitute all these things, okay, if you substitute all these things, you will get 3.72. Okay, you will get what? 3.72, and your TF value will be minus 3.72. So that's the right answer. 95. Osmotic pressure of 50% ionized Na2SO4. So over here also N value is 3, 2 sodium and 1 sulfate ion, right? 40%, that means what? I is equal to, alpha is given as what? 0.4. I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus, plus N alpha, right? So 1 plus 2 alpha will be the thing, that is 1 plus 2 into 0.4, that is 0.8, that is 1.8. So I value we have this. Okay, we have I value as this. Osmotic pressure is equal to what? What is osmotic pressure is equal to what? Pi is equal to I C R T. I value is 1.8, pressure is 0.1, R value is 0.0821, and temperature is 300 Kelvin. If you'll calculate all this thing, you will get 4.43. If you'll calculate this thing. 96. Molar mass of acetic acid measured by depression of freezing point experiment is 108 grams. Degree of dimerization of acetic acid dissolved in benzene. Okay, degree of dimerization dissolved in benzene. So see, basically Van 't Hoff factor can be calculated as 1. Okay, I is equal to what? 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 2, dimerization. Right? Clear? So if I'll calculate this thing, so we'll get 1 minus alpha by 2. This is, let us take this equation as 1. I can also be calculated as M normal to M abnormal. Right? Clear? So abnormal is 60, that is molecular weight, that is normal is 60, and its molar mass experimentally calculated is 108. That will give you value as 5 by 9. Right? So you can equate this thing, 1 minus alpha by 2. Okay, 1 minus alpha by 2. Okay, this is also, these are 2. So 1 minus alpha by 2 is equal to 5 by 9, and if you calculate, okay, if you solve this equation, you will get answer as 0.89. 97. Elevation of boiling point of 100% ionized. 100% ionized, that means what? Alpha is equal to 1. Of 0.03 molar aqueous calomel. First of all, aqueous calomel is mercurous chloride, that is Hg2Cl2, and its N value is equal to 3. Okay, we require elevation in boiling point, so it is given as delta TB equal to I KB M. I value we have 3, KB value is 0.5, M value is 0.33. If you solve these things, okay, if you solve this thing, you will get 0.52 Kelvin as an answer. 98. At 300 Kelvin, 0.2 molar urea solution is isotonic with 0.1 molar NaCl solution. Isotonic, right? Percentage dissociation of NaCl in this solution is, we need to calculate percentage dissociation. So basically it will be what? I1 M1 is equal to I2 M2. So suppose this is urea and this is NaCl. So for urea, okay, for urea what are the things given? 0.2 molar solution. Okay, so 0.2 molar solution is given. So I is 1 for urea and 0.2 molar solution. Okay, for NaCl we don't know I2, but yes, we know the molecular. Okay, we know the molarity. What is the molarity? 0.1, right? Hence from this equation, can I say I2 is equal to 2? Isotonic solution, so I2 is equal to what? 2. Now, talking about NaCl, NaCl dissociates as Na plus and Cl minus ion. So initially one, no dissociation, then it will dissociate. Suppose alpha get dissociate. So basically ultimate equation will be 1 minus alpha is dissociated, whereas alpha and alpha is formed, right? So here I will be equal to what? 1 minus alpha plus alpha plus alpha. So this will get cancelled. So it will go is equal to what? 1 plus alpha, right? So 1 plus, so 1 plus alpha is equal to 2, right? Hence alpha is equal to 1, that is equal to 100% dissociation. That is equal to what? 100% dissociation. 99. Compartment A and B, semi-permeable membrane. Identify the correct statement from the above diagrammatic representation. First of all, the actual concentration over here is 0.1 into 2, that is equal to 0.2 molar concentration. Over here it is only 0.1. Okay, semi-permeable membrane, that means what? Osmosis from low concentration to high concentration, right? So here the answer will be option number 3. Why? Water flows from compartment B to compartment A. Okay, from B to A. Clear? Sure. So next, 100 molar diabasic acid, diacetic base is 40 gram. Density of its aqueous solution is 1 gram per cc. More concentrated solution among the following is. So let us start for 2 molar. Okay, for 2 molar, if I solve, can I say that it is 2 moles? It is 2 moles present in 1000 ml of solution, right? Similarly, can I say that 1 mole is 40 grams, so it is 80 grams in 1000 ml, right? Clear? The density is how much? Density is how much? Can I say that density of a solution is 1 gram? So can I also say that 80 gram of solute is present in 1000 gram of solution? So this is weight of solute, this is weight of solution. Can I say weight of solvent? Can I say weight of solvent will be what? 1000, that is weight of solution, minus 80, that is weight of solute, that is equal to 920 gram. So with this analogy, can I say that for 2 molar, 80 grams is present in 920 grams? Now let us go for 2 molar. What do you mean by 2 molar solution? It is 2 moles present in 1000 gram of solution. That means can I say that 80 gram of solute is present in 1000 gram of solvent? This is 1000 gram of solvent, not solution, sorry. This is solvent. So 1000 gram of solvent, right? So with this thing, can I say here 80 gram of solute is present in 1000 gram of solvent? So obviously this is not the right answer. This is more concentrated. 2 normal. Okay. If I talk about 2 normal solution, can I say that 2 gram equivalent, okay, 2 gram equivalent is present in 1000 ml? Yes. 2 gram equivalent will be equal to what? 40 grams? Right? Diabasic acid, it is diabasic acid and its N factor will be 2, right? So it will be 40 gram, okay, 40 gram present in 1000 ml. Similarly, can I say that 40 gram is present in 1000 gram, right? Similarly, weight of solvent will be what? It will be 1000, minus 40, that is equal to 960 gram. So here we can say that 40 gram is present in 960 grams, right? So 40, everywhere it is 80. So can I take it 80 gram, that is multiply by 2, will be equal to 960 into 2. Okay, this will be 960 into 2. So that is equal to 0. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 19, 1920. So over here, 80 gram in 1920 grams of solvent. Again, solvent is more, whereas solute is the same. So again 2 molar is more concentrated. So let me just rub out some of the things from here. Okay, Let me just rub out some of the things from here so that I can calculate the fourth one. Coming upon to the last one, that is 2% weight by volume. 2% weight by volume means what? 2 gram present in 100 ml. Similarly, can I say 2 gram is present in 1000 grams? Similarly, can I say that weight of solvent will be equal to 100 minus 2, that is equal to 98 grams, right? So can I say that 2 gram of solute is present in 98 gram of solvent, right? But everywhere it is 80, so let us multiply by 40, so that becomes 80 grams. If I multiply this thing by 40, so 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and then 3920. So again 80 gram of solute is present in 3920. Again this is what? A less concentrated. So more concentrated, the right option over here will be option number 3, 2 molar. Okay, this was a pretty lengthy, but yes, we have found out the answer at option number 1. Clear? Sure. So I hope guys you must have understood all the calculations and all the answer of this particular paper as well. With this thing guys, thank you so very much for watching this video solution. God bless you all. Take care. Keep smiling.